this is the big topic of the week. Facebook
I have a
stalkers.
stalker too.
Okay, good.
I have
Let's-
129 requests right now.
She has
I don't know a
129
single
requests.
person.
Damn, woman.
Oh, you're kidding
Yeah.
me. We talked about
I'm
this the
not
other
even kidding. And
time.
I have guys constantly talking. Do you have AIM? Do you have MSN? Do you have webcam? I'm like, I'm not talking to any of
Webcam,
you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Not for you.
I have a
Really?
webcam.
Oh no, I have like
Right.
one serious stalker. Like, it's this guy who continuously, like, because I don't accept people that I don't know.
Sure.
And he always, like, he'll do it day after day after day, so I blocked him. So then I started getting messages time after time after time about, you know, why aren't you accepting me, blah, blah, blah. Don't ask me how he found this out.
How
but
can he do that if you blocked him?
you get the right messages,
Yeah,
though.
Right.
Oh, you have to make yourself unsearchable for him.
Oh, well, I don't know. So I don't know how he found this out, but I used to work at Market. And I remember the guy's name. So I'm working or whatever, and this guy's sitting in my section all by himself, and I take his drink order or whatever, take his credit card, and he asked me, he goes, "Oh, how was Vegas?"
Mm.
Whoa. And I'm
Like how people do
I just
that.
know. I'm like, I didn't tell him that I
Right.
lived there, and I looked
Very
at the credit
astute,
card,
yeah.
and it was him. Showed up the next night, asked
get
if
him
I was
kicked out?
working, and the next night to ask
Well, he
if
has
I
a
was
crush on you,
working.
obviously, so.
Get a
I'm
restraining
not sure
order.
if I work
Get
if you don't know me.
You wanna hear
No, I agree, and I'm not condoning that, but I'm just saying these are the ramifications of where our interactive system is. And we'll talk about
exactly.
this next week. I mean, these are very important issues that all young women face more than men, obviously, because it's, you know, it's a dangerous world out there. And these are the things we might talk about next week, how to protect yourself against social networking systems, cameras, you know, whatnot. It's a concern for every person in college, you know.
Yeah, you're inviting these people
Or
into
younger
your
in high
life.
school,
Like,
you know,
they
in
see
life,
what you're
right.
doing.
Well, on my MySpace, I'm a model and I have all my friends' pictures on their family and everything. And I used to work at a bar, and the older gentleman comes in. I'm not even working, and he's like, "Oh, you look way better in person." I'm like,
What?
"Do I know who you are?" And
First of all, you just insulted my picture.
Right?
Second of all.
Then I find out his office is across the street from my house. So I started staying at my friends' houses. I'm like, I'm not going home at 2:30 a.m. to find this like old.
I'm getting the ideas for a good movie.
Creeping into my, you know, like.
I got some
I don't know what
idea
you
when
would
his
do.
office was across.
My friend knew him. And he's like, he's a little weirdo, blah, blah, blah. And I was like,
They're all
"I'm
weirdos.
staying